When you're reading your books, I want you to think about what it reminds you of. So, for example, if I'm reading this book, it says, "This is pollen. Plants make pollen to make babies. Bees visit about 5,000 flowers each day." I'm going to make a connection because now that it's springtime, I see a lot of yellow on top of the tables outside. I see yellow on top of the car windows when I get inside in the afternoons. And that makes me think of springtime. And we are now starting a new season, which is spring. And I'm seeing lots of pollen. And that's because the bees are pollinating all the flowers. So when you're reading, boys and girls, I want you to make connections in your book and think about what it reminds you of. So today you're going to read 4 steps in your reading log and focus on this strategy. All right, now we're going to transition to writing. And what we're going to do today is draw and label a ladybug. We've been reading and writing about insects. So today we're going to pick an pick an insect, and we're going to draw and write about it. So I'm going to pick a ladybug. I'm going to write it up at the top. And down here, I've got the different parts to the ladybug. Okay, but I'm going to first draw my ladybug. And I'm going to draw a circle, and then my curved line at the top, and at the bottom, I've got the 2 parts, and these are the wings right here. When they're together, the wings are closed off. When they open up, the 2 of them go out like that, and the butterfly is able to fly in the air. Next, I'm going to draw the spots. Okay. Once I have all the spots, I'm going to draw the 2 antennae on the top of the head. And the 2 little dots there too. And then I'm going to give her 2 eyes. And then we're going to do the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs to my ladybug. Excellent. So now I am ready to label the ladybug. So let's look at the words down here. Okay, this says spot. All right, where would I put that word on my ladybug? I see spots right here, so I'm going to draw an arrow and write the word spot right there. Okay, I'm going to circle it because I already labeled that. Now the next word says leg. Okay, and I'm going to draw a line to the leg and label that part. The ladybug has 6 legs. Okay. Now next, I have an eye. So my eyes are up here. I'm going to label the eye. And then circle that. All right, this is a big word here. Do you remember what this word says? Antenna. And remember, the antennas are the 2 little sticks that are on top of the head. So I'm going to label the antenna. Okay. And then the last body part is the wing. Now, a ladybug has 2 wings, but I'm only going to label 1. So I'm going to draw my arrow over here, and I'm going to label the wing. All right, we have all the body parts labeled. And then now you can color your ladybug. You could add a setting, and you can even label another body part if you like. Maybe you can give it a mouth right here and label that. All right, boys and girls, great job today. Keep up the great work.